Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Sony MHC-V72 Party Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If it's not pairing, this speaker's not pairing with the other ones, or not not syncing up in the party chain, or if the sound is out of sync, out of time, or if it's not pairing or connecting at all to Bluetooth or to your device, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to get everything wiped off of here so that you can set it up again as a new device with all the pairing history and everything settings wiped to their out-of-the-box factory defaults, we can go ahead and do this really simply. All we need to do is, first things first, is we're just going to come in and we're going to turn the speaker off with the button at the bottom, and then we are going to unplug it and just leave it unplugged for a few seconds. Plug it back in and come in and turn it back on. Then once it's on, we're just going to come over here, and on the right we're going to find the guitar button, and on the left the mega bass button, and you're going to press and hold those two buttons for at least 3 seconds, at which point it will trigger its reset, allow it to do its thing, and then go ahead and turn it back on and set it up like it's a brand new speaker.